What's up, YouTube? So today we are going to review a budget headphone, which is the Edifier K800. So we are going to compare it with my Arctis 7 Steel Series headphone, and we will try the mic, the performance, the build of the. We'll discuss the build of the headphone and if it is good for gaming or just for personal use or just casual use. So yeah, the K800 is made for online education headset. It features hearing protection, noise cancellation microphone, quality construction, DSP chip, anti-interference, adjustable microphone, adjustable headband, and high-quality earpads. Now we're going to unbox it. So the box is a very simple white box with the features on the left side and the headphone on the front side. Inside the box is the manual and also the headset. The build quality is plastic, although it's pretty sturdy, and it also comes with a adjustable headband. The headphone doesn't have much design on the sides of the headphone, or just plain design. With on the other side is the adjustable mic. The headband is pretty sturdy with metal plate inside the plastic, so it will not break easily. What I like about the length of the cable is that it's more or less 1.5 meters, so you can move around while your headphone is plugged on your PC. The only issue that I have is that the USB port is not gold plated. Attached to the cable is the USB sound card with Edifier logo. As mentioned on the box, we have the adjustable mic, but you cannot adjust it horizontally, but just rotate it vertically. The ear cups is made of soft synthetic leather, so yeah, that's pretty good. And I tested if the memory foam is okay, and yeah, it goes back to its original form even if you squeeze it. So the headband is also adjustable for bigger heads like me. So as mentioned earlier, the headband is pretty sturdy, but I don't want to test it to the max. I mean, it might break the plastic, but it will not break the headband because it is made out of metal. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. So we are now going to test the sound quality of the microphone. So right now I am using the K800 microphone, and so far it's pretty good. I tested it, but the only concern that I have is that you cannot put this mic closer to your mouth, unlike the Steel Series headphone where you can, the mic is flexible, so you can put the mic near your mouth or far away from your mouth if you want. So whenever I want to talk to someone else, I have to do this. So yeah, it's not a big issue, but an additional, maybe they can make it flexible, and that will really be a good add-on to the mic. So for the comfortability, I think it's very good. Although my ears are kinda uh, outside of the microphone, it's not really inside the ear cups. Unlike my Arctis 7 Steel Series, and yeah, if you have bigger ears, you'll probably want to get a different headphone. So for the flex, it's not that hard. I mean, it doesn't really squeeze your head in a manner that it hurts your ears or something like that. Or and the good thing about this headphone is that you can adjust the flex right here on top. Though it's not that durable like my RT7. Of course, it's not because it's a budget headphone, but you know there is a metal plate inside this plastic right here, so even if you stretch it out, it is possible, but the plastic might break. So yeah, for the sound quality, the quality is pretty good. Sound is clear, although you have that static noise when you increase the volume to a max level, and the bass is a bit loud for my taste. Although the Steel series is uh the bass is there, but it's a bit softer than the K800. So if you really love bass, so yeah, you should get this headphone because it's pretty loud. So you can go away with the static noise if you just reduce the volume to a minimal level or moderate level. But if you go higher, the static sound will start to come out. So another issue that I have with the mic is that whenever I talk louder than usual, the mic can detect the air that's coming out of my mouth, and it creates like a bass sound. So if you can make a DIY foam and add it to the headphone mic, then maybe you can reduce that. So yeah, you should consider that if you want to buy this headphone. So as you can see, there is an ambient noise, which is the air coming out from my fan right there. So my fan is not actually pointed at me right now, but the mic can still receive that feedback from the fan itself. So yeah, the mic is pretty sensitive, so you don't want, I guess that's the reason why they don't want it to be closer to your mouth, because even at this distance it can already detect your voice. So far it's pretty good. I mean, for casual use it's pretty good. For online class, you can buy this headphone. It's very very affordable. So if you don't want to, competitive gaming, so you can use this. So we are now going to test it with actual games and see if the directional sounds is there or not. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. So right now I am using my uh BM800 microphone. So as you can see, there is no sound coming from my fan. So we tested out with Overwatch, and the sound quality is very good. Though the bass is still a bit loud. Although if you can appreciate it, if you play war games and all that, the immersion is there. And the software based directional sounds are present, although it's a bit uh basic. Yeah, I mean, like, if a sound is coming from the left side, that's it. But if it has a distance or some sort, you cannot really um identify it. But yeah, it's there. But for competitive gaming, you might want to buy another headphone better. I mean, a better headphone. But for the casual gaming, for less competitive games, this will do. So yeah, if you want to buy a entry level headphone that is good for all around, like gaming, professional use, and um I mean casual use, not really professional, because professional use you have to buy professional quality headphones. So this is very good for its price. It's also a bang for buck headphone that you can buy. um Also, if you want a quality sound for less, this is a very good headphone. So the build quality is all plastic except for the flex here. It is coated with plastic, and there's a metal plate inside the plastic. So if you can stretch it so far that it will not break, but maybe the plastic will crack. So yeah, you don't want to do that. So yeah, so for the comfortability, I will say it again. If you have smaller ears, it will really fit your ear, and the sound suppression is really there. So you cannot hear anything outside of the headphone. So also for bigger ears, have to consider bigger headphones. So this headphone is for medium-sized ears. So my ear is not that big, as you can see. So yeah, it fits my ear, but somehow there's a little bit of a gap somewhere there. So yeah, so that's the basic features of the headphone. So issues aside, nothing major, but the microphone can be better. So yeah, there are a lot of headphones out there that have better microphone than this, but for the price range, this is very very good. So don't point your fan at yourself, or you can reduce the ambient noises around you by studio foam or avoiding direct air contact. So yeah, and you speak softly because your breathing sound will be reflected on the microphone itself. So basically, it's a very good headphone for its price. So I really really recommend it. The K800 Edifier headphone. So this is the first Edifier headphone that I am going to review because most of the Edifiers are speakers. So I am more knowledgeable about their speakers than their headphones. So this is the first headphone that I got from um, Edifier. So yeah, basically that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and share if you don't mind. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.